Hi, this is David. Welcome to Sonix. Sonix automatically transcribed this file using our latest speech-to-text algorithms. Now, you can interact with your audio and video files in a brand new way with our AudioText Editor. Quickly search for specific words. Want to play the audio from a specific word? Just click on the word. Just click on the word. You can polish your transcripts by simply editing the text directly in your browser. You can also easily remove unnecessary words with our fabulous Strikethrough feature. You can easily remove unnecessary words with our Strikethrough feature. If you highlight an important phrase, we will show you the beginning and ending timestamps. Export full transcripts or just the highlighted phrases to Microsoft Word, your favorite text editor, or even your favorite audio-video editors, like Adobe Audition or Adobe Premiere. Sonix is the most elegant way to transcribe, organize, search, and edit your audio and video files. Try Sonix for free today at www.sonix.ai.